Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please kindly subscribe to my page for more topics in mathematics. Today's topic is number bases and we're going to be looking at converting base 10 numbers to other bases. Now to convert base 10 numbers to other bases, the first thing you do is to divide the base 10 number by the new base number until you reach 0. And note, always write the remainder anytime you divide the number. For example, number 1, convert 75 in base 10 to base 4. Now, I'm going to draw my table. This is 75 in base 10 divided by 4. 4 in 75 is 18, remainder 3. 4 in 18, 4, remainder 2. 4 in 4, 1, remainder 0. 4 in 1, 0, remainder 1. Now, after doing that, you start at the last remainder and read it upward to get the answer. Meaning, I'm going to write my answer from downward to upward by drawing an arrow like this, which simply means 75 in base 10 equals, the last number here is 1, followed by 0, followed by 2, then 3 in base 4. Do you understand? Now let's look at another example. We're still converting base 10 to other bases. Base 10 to other bases. Example 2. Example 2. Example 2. Now, convert 15 in base 10 to base 2. 15 in base 10 to base 2. Solution: 15 then 2. 2 in 15 can only go, that's 7. 2 in 15 is 7. Remainder 1. 2 in 7, 3. Remainder 1. 2 in 3 is 1. Remainder 1. 2 in 1, impossible. Remainder 1. So now I'm going to write my answer from backward to upward. So that means 15 in base 10 equals 1, 1, 1, 1 in base 2. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now let's look at another example. Let's look at another example. Example 3. Example 3. We are convert 27 in base 10 to base 8. 27 in base 10 to base 8. 27, this is 8. 8 in 27 is, that's 3. Remainder 3. 8 in 3 is impossible. That's 0. Remainder 3. So I'm counting my answer I'm going to pick my answer from the down part, which means 27 in base 10 equals what? 33 in base 8. Do you understand? Now let's take a look at some other examples under converting base 10 numbers to base 8. Example 4. Example 4. Example 4. Example 4 question says 128 converts 128 in base 10 to base 5. To base 5. That simply means I'm going to be dividing my 128 by 5. 5 in 12 is 2. Remainder 2. In 28 is 5. Remainder 3. 5 in 25 is 5. Remainder nothing, which is 0. 5 in 5 is 1. Remainder 0. 5 in 1 is impossible. That's 0. Remainder 1. So if I'm writing my answer, I'm going to pick it from the down part. I'm going to pick it from the down part, which means 128 in base 10 equals 1003 in base 5. Do you understand? Class tax. Let's solve this class tax. Class tax. Class tax. Number 1. Convert 12 in base 10 to base 6. Now, after the count of 10, I'm going to solve the correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's solve the correction. Here I'm going to divide my 12 by 6. 6 in 12 is 2, remainder 0. 6 in 2 is impossible. That's 0, remainder 2. Now, if I'm writing the answer, I'm going to start from the down part, which means 12 in base 10 equals 2, 0 in base 6. Do you understand? Class tax number 2. Class tax 2. Class tax number 2. We're going to convert 120 in base 10 to base 2. To base 2. So I'm going to divide it by saying 2 in 120 is 60, remainder 0. 2 in 60 is 30, remainder 0. 2 in 30, 15, remainder 0. 2 in 15, 7, remainder 1. 2 in 7 That's 3, remainder 1. 2 in 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 in 1, that's impossible. That's 0, remainder 1. So now if I'm writing the answer, I'm going to start from the down part, which means 120 in base 10 equals, the first number here is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 in base 2. Do you understand? Do you understand? Any question? Please, if you have questions, please kindly comment in the comment section or private chat me in my DM for more questions. So let's take a look at another example, another class tax. Class tax number 3. Question 3. Question 3. Question 3. Question 3 says, convert 49 in base 10 to base 6. 6 in 49, that's 6 times 7 is 42. That's 7, remainder 7. 6 times 6 can go in 40. Yeah, 6 times 8. Yeah, that's 6 in 49 is 8. Sorry about that. That's 8, remainder 1. 6 in 8 is 1, remainder 2. 6 in 1, impossible. That's 0, remainder 1. Now, the final answer is 49 in base 10. We have equals to 1, 2, 1 in base 6. Do you understand? I'm sorry if I didn't do a countdown for that. So let's take another look at another class tax. So this is the last class tax for today. Class tax number 4. Number 4. Convert 1,000 in base 10 to base 6. 1,000 in base 10 to base 6. 1,000. I'm going to be dividing it by 6. 6 in 10 can only go once. Remainder 4. 6 in 40. 6 in 40 is 6. Remainder, that's 6 in 40 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Remainder 4. I'm going to put the 4 here. 6 in another 40 is 6. Remainder 4. 6 in 16 can only go twice, which is 2. Remainder, that's remainder 4. Remainder 4. That's 46. 6 and 46 is that's 7, 42. Remainder 4. 16, 27 6 and 4 is impossible. That's 0 remainder 4. So 1000 in base 10 equals 4344 in base 6. Do you understand? That's the final answer. So thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.